gearbox fails at one of your steel mill plants, we could have a hotshot truck pick up the gearboxes within 3 hours from anywhere in the United States. At National Gear Repair, we understand the unique demand of the steel sector, where heavy-duty gearboxes are pushed to their daily limits. At National Gear Repair, our mission is simple. Keep your mill running with fast, certified gearbox repair you can trust. Integrated mills, mini mills, blast furnaces, hot mills, cold mills, including pickle lines, tandem mills, reversing mills, temper mills, and galvanized lines. These gearboxes are put to their maximum loads under immense power and pressure. We understand the demand, the unique requirement that's needed when your gearbox fails, your production line comes to a halt. This is why we offer emergency rush repair. 24 to 48 hour rush repair. This includes manufacturing new inner components, such as your helical herringbone, split herringbone, spiral bevel, bevel, and so forth. National Gear Repair offers free pickup, free delivery, and free quotes nationwide.
If you have any questions about your gearbox repair, contact me directly at 909-374-6845. National Gear Repair. We are the experts in industrial gearbox and pump repair.